Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to do half swipe on Snapchat. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So then Snapchat has recently updated the feature, and in order to access this feature, make sure to update your application to the latest version. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So for example, let's say that you have received a snap and now you don't want to respond to this person, but then you're anxious to see what the other person has sent you. You can do this by the half swipe method on Snapchat. So the person who has actually sent you a snap will not be notified whether you have seen the messages or not, or then the snap or the chat will be marked as unread. So first of all, you'll have to open up your Snapchat. So after you open up your Snapchat application, tap on the chat icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. So as you tap on it, on the other page you will be directed to the chat page. Now all you have to do is you'll have to find the chat. So for example, I'll go with this one. So in order to do the half swipe thing, all you have to do is swipe towards the right hand side corner. And then do not release your finger as long as you're seeing the chat. And after you're done, just swipe towards the left hand side just like that, and then release your finger. As you can see that the message or the chat is as it is. So that is how you can do half swipe on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.